Students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about law of sines and law of cosines. So let's start. We have here the law of the sines is very easy. Remember with me here I have this triangle as you see with side length of A, B and C. Okay guys? Okay. So he tells me now a new rule and very easy one. If I say the sine of angle A, the capital angle A, the sine of angle again A, over what? Over, can you see? Over A here side, A here side, the opposite side. I'm talking slowly because I know some of you is laughing now, right now. This is the opposite. This is what opposite. So if I say sine of angle A over here the opposite A equals to sine of angle B opposite over what? Over its opposite, okay, which is B equals also the sine of angle C over its opposite C. Okay guys, so this is my new rule. It's a very easy one. You can use the law of sines to solve a triangle if you are given two angles and two angle measures in any side length. This is the ASA or AAS, or two side length and a non-included angle measure, SSA. What are you talking about? Let's see how the questions come. This is the most important thing we've got here to know the question and know how to solve it. Let's go find the measure, okay, of FG. FG, where is FG? This segment, FG. If you know that you have here GH 40, it's given, okay, GH segment 40, and you have angle H 32, and you've got angle F 39 degree. Okay guys, so we know the sine rule, yeah, the sine, if I say the sine F, the sine of F over what? Over here it's opposite 40, sine of F over here 40, it's equals to what? Sine of H, sine of angle H over what? Over FG, over FG. And I know now what I know here, three values, so I can get the fourth value. Sine of what? Sine of F, sine of 39, okay, all over 40. I'm substituting the values here in here. So sine of 39 over 40, okay guys, equal sine of H, which is sine of 32 degrees, over FG. How can I get FG? Make it here like unknown and cross multiplication from down to up. So we've got here, okay, 40 times, guys, 40 multiplies sine 32 all over what? This is 32, okay, all over sine 39 by using my super calculator now. So by using this calculator you got 33.7. Why 0.7? Round to the nearest degree. Okay guys, this is after rounding. Okay, let's have another question. This is easy. I think it is very easy. Find the measure around the length of the nearest to the nearest tenth. He asks me after finding the length, so he needed to rounding by the nearest tenth, and angle measure to the nearest, of course, degree. Okay, so here how can I get the measure of angle Q? Here this is Q. So how can I get the measure of angle Q? It's very easy. We have here the triangle as you see. I need the marker, the triangle here as you see, this one. He needs me to find measure of angle Q. Using the sine rule, sine of, we have got here angle, okay, angle P, and we've got here this side, and we got this side. So I will say sine P over what? Over 8. So sine P over QR, which is 8. Okay, so I will say sine 51 over what? Over 8 equals to sine Q, the sine Q, that I need to find here the measure of angle Q, and I will tell you how. Over what? Over the opposite. It's very easy, guys. So how can I find this one? This is the required 6 times sine here, 6 times sine 51 over 8. 6 sine 51 over 8 by using the calculator. Okay, guys, but now I need to ask you something before using this calculator. I need what? I need the measure of angle. When I say measure of angle instead of sine, very easy one. Sine to the power -1 to find the measure of angle. The same, but here shift. Okay, guys? So we got here 36 degree to the nearest, here rounding to the nearest degree. What do you think? Is it easy? Yes, this is the inverse as you see now. Okay, the inverse sine function. Let's have another one, and this is the same idea. So we're going to take it very quickly. Find the measure, round the length, find the measure of NP segment. Okay, this one, NP segment. You know now you have got here can we do with the sine rule? Excellent. So we've got here, he asks me for NP, this one. So I'm going to say that sine n over 22, sine of n over 22, it's the same as sine of m over the required, and then get the required very easily. Okay, guys? Okay, the same idea, so we're not going to say it again. So now let's have another kind of another here law. It's the law of what? It's the law of cosines. Okay, guys, the law of sines cannot be used to solve every triangle. Okay, so if you know two sides length and the included angle of measure, or if you know all the three side length, and you cannot use the law of sines, instead we're going to know the law or apply the law of cosines. What are you talking about? Oh my God, this is a very hard rule. No, this is a very easy rule. So let's start. For any triangle ABC, as you see here. Okay, guys, slowly. Okay, can you see this one? It's easy. For any triangle ABC, like this, with side length of A, B, and C. We know that the side length here, A, B, and C. Okay, guys, listen. A power 2 equals B power 2 plus C power 2, but not just that. It's not a Pythagorean theorem, and we don't have here a right angle triangle. So we're going to complete a very small thing here. We're going to memorize this very well. After saying A power 2 equals B power 2 plus C power 2, we're going to add something or put something in good words here. Why? -2. Okay, guys, we said -2 BC small cosine A capital. Again, -2 BC. I choose here BC, so cosine A capital. What about if I say here, this is for what, guys? A power 2. We take here A capital. Okay, please study this with me now. This will be better for you. What if I say B? B power 2, let's study this together now. B power 2 equals, of course, A power 2 plus C power 2. A power 2 plus C power 2. So, minus what? 2AC minus what? 2AC small. Cosine what? Cosine, huh? Who can tell me? Yeah, cosine B. Okay. What about if I say for C? Let's remove all of this. Okay, together. If I want to know here C to the power 2, it will be A power 2 plus B power 2 minus 2A, huh? 2AB, excellent. Cosine what? Cosine C, yeah. Cosine C capital. This is easy to study, okay, guys? Miss, how can we solve the problems? Let's go and rock it. So we got here, find the measure. Okay, find the measure of xz, this one, the length of xz, okay. And then don't forget to round to the length to the nearest tenth and the angle measures to the nearest degree. After using the calculator, we are rounding. Okay, guys? Okay, let's do it. No panic here, okay? Okay, so how can I solve it? I can't use the sine, but I can use the cosine. So he asks me about x power xz. Xz, I can say xz power 2 equal y. Okay, I can say first of all xy. I will start with this xy power 2. Who can remember? Plus yz, excellent, yz power 2. If I can say, in other words, if this is a and this is b and this is c, a power 2 equal b power 2 plus c power 2. Remember, minus 2. Remember, minus 2, b and c. B and C. B times C, which is XY and YZ. I know that you got it. I know that you got it now. So again, XZ power 2 equals what? XY power 2 plus YZ power 2 minus 2. And instead of AB, I said before this is A and B, right? Or yes, this is A and B and this is C, for example. Let it be here A and this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, so let this A, this B, this C, to make you remember. So we said before this A power 2, okay, to make you connect what we are talking about. A power 2 is B power 2 plus C power 2 minus what? 2BC, cosine A capital. Remember? So xy power 2, yz power 2 minus what? Minus xy minus 2, minus 2 times xy. Okay, guys, minus 2 times xy. Let me write it here again because we don't have any place to write. So we write it again. Xz power 2 equal xy power 2 plus yz power 2 minus this times this. Minus 2 times xy multiply xz. Remember, cosine what? Cosine of what? Cosine the included angle, which is y, Okay, then substitute in the rule. We have the rule, we have written the rule, then we substitute from the numbers given here up. Xy power 2, 35 power 2. Yz power 2, 30 power 2 minus 2 times 35 times 30, then cosine 110. Means it's very difficult. No, it's very easy. Just study well the rule and then substitute in the rule. Then use your calculator. No, we haven't anything easier than that. So you have here 35 to the power 2 in the calculator by using the calculators. 30 power 2. Here minus 2 times 35, 30. Then cosine 110. Okay, guys, times. So you got here this number. He asks me to the nearest what? Here, this is a segment to the nearest tenth. So where's the nearest tenth here? 10th. Then we look at 100th. So this 4 doesn't give anything for 2. Okay. To the near. Okay, so no, before that, this is xz power 2 square root. Don't forget, this is power 2. Don't forget to make square root of this number. To get rid of the squared, I have to make square root. Then it will give you 53.3. Okay, after rounding. Okay, guys, easy one. Let's have another one to make sure we understood. For this one, find the measure, okay, of DE. Okay, guys, this one, DE, and gives you included angle and 2 segments. How can I do it? By the cosine rule. So we say that ED power 2 or DE power 2, whatever, equals to what? FD power 2, yes, plus FE power 2, right, minus 2 multiplies FD, okay, multiplies FE, okay, cosine F, the included angle, and then substitute in the rule, get DE power 2, then square root of both of them, DE will give you 6.5. Very easy one, right?